Good morning, everyone. It's a yard sale tool haul, only it hasn't happened yet. The pictures I'm about to show you are from yesterday, and we're about to go back there this morning. And if you see anything that you want, leave it in the comments. I'll watch for them. Go on, take a look. I wonder if Snap Ring Chronicles would want this. Or maybe Catus Maximus. It's having a little issue here. Go on, take a look. How are you?
Interesting.
Exactly. That's a hook. I think Tom Gunn just did one of these. $30. I have a bunch of these for you all. It's overwhelming, there's too much. That just goes on and on and on.
Yep. Feels great.
Alex, you should be here. This is overwhelming for me. I don't remember who likes these drills, but look at the condition of the handle on this one. I kind of like this Craftsman toolbox. From what I can tell, it's in pretty good shape. It's not perfect, but very clean. I haven't found the top drawer yet. And I've never heard of this brand before. Wright Tools. But something's missing because it's not doing too much. And then these. How about this? Imagine if someone has this but it's broken and they need just this piece. Crystalloy. I don't know what this is. Quick Craft. There's simply too much. I need a live where people can say, buy that one. Yep, go ahead, buy that one. Buy that one for me. Buy this one for me. I was kind of hoping to find a ratchet. Ratchets are very popular lately. And it'd be fun to find some of the ratchets that other people are cleaning up. Did you see the swivel head 1/4 inch ratchet that was cleaned up on YouTube that not too long ago? Okay, I'll dig a little more and then we'll run away.